Hello friends, welcome to the Biological Life Sciences channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to search and download file from rcsb.org.pdb. So we are going to download a file from Protein Data Bank and we are going to analyze it using the software called as Rasmol. Okay, so for that purpose, first of all you have to download the software for Rasmol. So on Google you have to type Raswin, Raswin. If you type Raswin, you are going to get the first result, that is Rasmol and open Rasmol. You have to click on that. So after that you are going to get, this is the home page for Rasmol. Here we have to select the Rasmol 2.7.5 Windows installers. So when you click on that, you will get a setup file and that will be downloaded, and then you have to set that file and install that program into your computer. Okay, so after you install that program into your computer, you are going to get a window like this. This is the window for Raswin, where you can see it is shown the different version numbers of the Rasmol here. You have to click on OK. So when the Rasmol opens, it opens into two different windows. You can see here it opens up into two different windows. First of all, there is a Rasmol window which is you can see here black in color. This is the Rasmol software, and then here is the command line software. Here you can see the Rasmol software was developed by Roger Saile in August 1955, and the copyright number is given here, and all other informations regarding the program is given here. Okay, so this is the program which we are going to use in today's video for the analysis of a PDB file that can be downloaded from a protein data bank. So here first of all we are going to type the URL for protein data bank, www.rcsb.org. Okay, so this is the home page for protein data bank. You can see here. So this is the protein data bank that opens up. So you can download the file of any PDB file or any 3D structure for any PDB file in .pdb format. So let's type a name here. Let's type insulin, just to explain you how you can do the analysis of PDB file. So I have put a name insulin, and then you have to search it. Okay, so after searching it, you are going to get number of results regarding insulin. So this is a protein data bank file. This is a protein data bank file that you are getting here. So you can download this file regarding the insulin. It is the structural basis for inhibition of insulin like growth factor, or you can download any file from here, or the file which you are going to analyze using the Rasmol software. So you can download the file which you want, or if you have a proper PDB number, so you can put that number onto the search bar and you will get the exact file. Okay, so you can download the file from here. Suppose let's download any of the file here. So I am going for the first file itself that was there in the result. So this was the first file. So by clicking on this 2DSQ, I am opening this file in the protein data bank. You can see here the file is opened in the protein data bank now. Okay, so it is giving the lots of specifications of the protein and the structure of this protein, that is structural basis for inhibition of insulin like growth factor by IGF binding protein. So it is insulin growth factor binding protein. That file we have downloaded, we are to download. So the structure of this protein was determined by X-ray diffraction method, and the resolution of this structure is 2.80 angstrom, and all other details regarding this structure is given here. So you can go to the download files here, click on the download files. You are going to get the sequence of this file also. You can get the PDB file also, PDB format, and there are number of formats that is available. Okay, so we have to download the file in PDB format. Okay, so I have selected the PDB format. Now you can see the file is being downloaded and the file has downloaded here. So 2dsq.pdb. This is the name of the file. So we are going to first of all take this file and let's copy this file onto the desktop first of all. So I have copied this file onto the desktop. Here you can see this file is there. Okay, so we have already opened the Rasmol media window here. So when I drag and push this file onto this window, the file opens up into the Rasmol. Okay, so you can see how the file has opened into the Rasmol. So this is the structure of the file that is being opened here. So we can analyze or do the analysis of this file, that is the protein that is being opened here, that is insulin growth factor binding protein, into this file, and we can perform various analysis. Okay, so there are two ways of performing the analysis here. One is by going through command line and other is by going through direct through the Rasmol window. Okay, so first of all let me show you by going to the Rasmol window. You can see here there are a number of options given here. So first of all, when you go to the file window, you can see here file, edit, then display, then colors. Lots of commands are there. So depending on the command that you want, you can select the file here and get the desired result. You can do so by using command line also. So I am going to show you both of them in one by one manner. So first of all, let us see the command softwares here. So you can see first of all, when you go to the display command and you select the first command here, that is given as wireframe. When I select this, the compound will be shown in wireframe structure. Okay, so you can see the structure that is being shown in wireframe structure. This is the 3D structure of the compound. Now when I go to the display command again and when I click on backbone structure, so this is the backbone structure of the compound that is being shown here. You can see the file, and then if I again go and select the sticks model, so this is the ball and stick model. So this kind of models is generally shown in your chemistry notebook, where the 3D structure of these proteins is given here. Okay, so again when you go to the display and press space fill, you can see this is the space fill model of that protein that we are getting. Okay, so there are a number of display commands like this. For example, ball and stick, ribbon, strands, cartoons, molecular surface, etc. I will select the strands, so you can get the strands here, how the strands that are there in this protein, that there are some alpha helix you can see, and there are some beta sheets also. So likewise you can go to the color command also, and you can select number of commands here in the Rasmol window. When you select monochrome, it is shown in a single color, then CPK, and then after that different colors can be changed here, and the file can be viewed in different structures according to the groups and all. You can first of all change the display command so that you can see the molecules properly. So this is a ball and stick structure that I have made, and then I can change the different colors, temperature, then again structure. So likewise the molecule can be seen in different geometries depending on the number of different kinds of groups that are being present. Okay, then again you can go to the options here also, and then you can select different kinds of molecules. For example, hydrogen atom, then heteroatoms. Okay, then after that shadows. Okay, so such kind of structures you can select here, and then you can go for the command line softwares, where you can get the number of analysis to be done. Okay, so this is the command line software that I have opened on one side. Okay, so I hope this is visible to you. So if you put any command such as restrict helices, when you press enter, so only the helix present in this will be restricted. Okay, so you can see here when I put the command of restrict helix, this is called restrict command, so it is going to restrict only the helix present in this molecule. Okay, so again you have to open the command line from here in the resin. You can see here on this taskbar. So again you can put the restrict command. So you can see here in the command line also So when I have restricted the helices, there are 1046 atoms that were selected. So in the helix there were 1046 atoms. So when I again put restrict command, RESTRICT, restrict sheets. So there are 368 atoms selected. So you can see here there are less number of sheets that is available. So therefore it is not able to show that. So if you press hydrogen atom, H atom, so you can select or you can analyze many things like this. For example, let's see, let's check SS bonds. So when I press SS bond, see, you can see here there are very minute 3 dots that is shown here, 1, 2 and many very small dots are there, which you can visualize by using wireframe structure. You can see here by wireframe structure you can get the number of SS bond that is present here. So when I put the command SS bonds here, so when I put the command SS bond, so what I get, I should get all kinds of bonds that are present here. You can see, I'll put the command SS bond. So this is the number of SS bond that is present here in this structure. You can see when I put the command that I have SS bonds, so I have got the number of bridges as 23. So here in this molecule there are 23 disulfide bridges in the molecule. So again, if I want more information about this molecule, then I can put commands such as show information. So when I put this command, so I get every details of this molecule. You can see here the molecule name is insulin like growth factor binding protein 4. So the PDB data record, the record name for this file is 2DSQ, and it is developed by X-ray diffraction technique. The number of chain in this molecule is 6. Number of groups that is present is 409. Number of atoms is 3072. Number of bonds present in this molecule is 3141. The number of disulfide bridges is 23. Number of helices here is 15. Number of strands is 15. Number of turns is zeros. Okay. So likewise you can put number of commands here, and then you can get the different desired output on this window of the RASMOL, and you can do the analysis of the PDB file like this. Okay, so here number of commands are also there that you can use from the display also, and you get a user manual also where you can select the number of commands that you want, or you can put it in different structures. So just like I am doing here using the display commands and all other commands. So you can change the color also from here of this particular molecule on the basis of group and all. So these are the different commands that you can use in RASMOL, and you can do the analysis of the PDB file in this way. So when you put select all here, so I am putting select all, so it selects all the number of atoms present in it. So you can see there are 3772 atoms here in this particular molecule. So this is how you can do the analysis of a PDB file using the RASMOL software. You have to first download the RASMOL software using the RASWIN file from the Google, and then you can download the PDB file from the protein data bank, and then you can download it in PDB format, and the file is opened here like this. So you can do the analysis like this in this software. So thank you for watching the video. If any doubt, do comment, and all the different commands for RASMOL is given in description box. So thank you for watching.